Is it okay to listen to your baby's heartbeat every day? And nire-recommend ba na bumili kayo ng sariling Doppler at home? Hi, Doc Ann here, your board-certified obstetrician gynecologist. I understand how reassuring it is na naririnig ninyo ang heartbeat ni baby every day. Kaya lang, the use of Doppler at home will just give you unnecessary anxiety. Kasi remember, it takes time, experience, and medical training para maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung sound na napipick up nitong Doppler. Basically, this is very safe to use kahit araw-araw pa. Hindi ko pa rin nare-recommend na bumili kayo nito kasi pwede lang itong mag-cause ng unnecessary panic. Remember, hindi lang naman ang fetal heartbeat ni baby ang napipick up ng Doppler. You can also hear the maternal blood flow, placental blood flow, the umbilical cord flow, and also yung fetal movement, yung kicks ni baby, napipick up din ito. Also, yung ating gastric or yung mga intestinal sounds. Using this Doppler at home will just give you, number one, false reassurance. Akala ninyo, heartbeat pa ni baby yung naririnig dito, while in fact, heartbeat pala yon ni mommy or yung sound na pala yon ng intestine. Number two is stress or panic kapag hindi nyo agad na-detect kung nasaan ang heartbeat ni baby, especially in very early pregnancy na napakalikot ng baby, paiba-iba ang posisyon ng heartbeat. And number three, hindi ito substitute sa professional prenatal care and also fetal movement counting. Okay? Ako, in my practice, I would always tell my patients, lalo na pag yung malapit na sila sa kabuanan or yung term pregnancy na monitor na ang kick. So, yung kick counts or the fetal movement counting. So, alam ninyo, pag medyo humina siya than the usual, then it's time for you to visit me or your obstetrician gynecologist in the clinics para kami ang magpapakinig ng heartbeat ni baby nyo sa Doppler. And we can also request for additional tests such as ultrasound para ma-ensure natin na safe ang baby mo. Okay? So remember, not all sounds in the Doppler is your baby's heartbeat. So, I do not recommend that you purchase. Okay? So I hope this helps. Bye!